Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about the issue that is troubleshooting part on this Linux risky mode. When our system goes something wrong with my kernel image, or if I'm getting the prompt that is grub on initial boot, so at that time we are doing some troubleshooting on the Linux issue. So how we can fix that issue using this Linux rescue mode? So we will do that. So first we are setting the password, that is vi space slash grub.conf file. So this is the file. Here if suppose on below hidden menu I am setting the password is equals to red hat, and here I am setting the password as again the red hat for this grub. First password we have set for this kernel when our server is boot. So at that time it's asking for the password, that is kernel password. Once this password is taken, it will boot it from this kernel image. So when before enter into this grub, it will ask again for this grub password. So here we have set. If suppose this password we have not remind, so at that time we can troubleshoot it using this risky mode, and we can reset the password. So I'm going to save this configuration, and again we have doing some demonstration on this grub prompt. So for that, just I am going to move, that is slash boot slash grub slash grub.conf file into slash var slash tmp. Here I am moving this grub.conf file, and I am going to reboot my server. So let's see. Now the server is going to reboot. This is my virtual machine, so I have taken this console of my machine. So basically this Linux rescue mode we are using in this environment to troubleshoot basic troubleshooting on this Linux part, some OS related issues, some control D related issues, or which are some files are corrupted related this kernel or this grub. So at that time we are doing it. So now we are getting this grub prompt. So for this grub prompt we are first checking, that is the command ls. Suppose this ls command is not working, there are some commands we are using to troubleshoot this grub issue. First, that is ls command. Then ls command, it will reflect all these uh, devices like this sd0 ms dos 1 2 3 4 5, whatever the devices are available, it will reflect. But here this ls command is not working. So at that time, another command we can check, that is set command, but set command is also not working. In mode using this set command, we are setting their boot is equals to device name, that is sd0 comma ms dos 1 2 3 4 5, whatever. So like that we can troubleshoot, but this command is not working here. So for that we are inserting cd. This is my rhs 6.3. So now I am booting this os from this cd with this risky mode. So here is the option, third option, you can see rescue install system. So just I am pressing enter. Now it's asking for the prompt. We are just pressing OK. 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 Here it's asking for the network interfaces. So we are not using any interfaces for this troubleshooting part. So here it's asking for this slash mnt slash sysimage. It will temporarily mount their root file system under it. So just I'm clicking on continue. Now it's examining the storage device. What are the devices are available on my server? It is taking time to examining the storage devices. Now it's getting the prompt OK. Okay, now we are entering into this scale. So first command we are using, that is chroot space slash mnt slash sysimage. Here our root file system is temporarily mount. Another command, that is mount space hyphen o space remount comma read write space slash. Our slash partition will temporarily mount in read write mode. Now we are using this command, that is ls, and all the commands inside this we can check, that is grub issue. For this grub issue we can check slash boot slash grub. Under this grub.conf file, it needs to be present. So this grub file is not available inside it. So I have moved that grub.conf file on my another location. So now just I am trying to move from this slash var slash tmp grub.conf file and inside this boot slash grub. Now this grub.conf file is exist on my server inside this path. Now again we can check under this slash etc slash grub.conf file. Yeah, this file is present. Now we have set the password for this grub and the kernel. So we can check it under this slash etc slash grub.conf file. So here you can see this. If suppose this password is not remember you, then you can reset this password from this utility. Either this is kernel password or this grub password. So here is the password set. So you can reset it. Now I am going to reboot it using this reboot space hyphen f. I'm removing this disk from my OS. Yeah, disk is now removed, and I'm going to reboot my server again with the hard disk. Now it's asking for the password. We have set the password, that is Red Hat. After entering this password, it will prompt for this another. Now my machine is secure with this kernel password. If someone wants to log in on my server, so the system cannot allow it. So basically we are using this password for the security purpose on the production environment. So due to the security, no one can allow to log in on my system directly. Now this OS is now booting, so just till the time I am pausing my video. And now I can see this server login prompt. Now I am going to log in on my server. Yeah, now my server is login using this uptime. I am checking, that is 3 times is my uptime, and inside this